You can start.
Yeah, I have logged in through my mobile also. Give access for that as well. Okay. Immediately நமக்கு இங்க some problem வந்தாச்சுன்னா I will start
Okay.
talking from this mobile. Okay.
Okay.
Start பண்ணலாமா? 10 o'clock ஆயிடுச்சு.
Start பண்ணு.
Yes. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Just I'm sharing my screen. Ganesh, in this entire screen, in the
சொல்லுங்க.
yes, share option இருக்கு right? நம்ம வெபெக்ஸ் அந்த அது எனேபிள் ஆக மாட்டாது எதுக்கு? Do you know any reason? நான் ஷேர் வந்து கிளிக் பண்ணினா கிளிக் கிளிக் ஆக்சுவலி
ட்ரெயின்
கேன்சல்.
ஹவுஸ்.
சாரி.
ட்ரெயின் ஹவுஸ்.
எஸ்
இப்போ ட்ரை
சார்.
பண்ணு.
நோ, ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம். You can't display. Make sure you have allowed permission to share content. Okay. No, இப்போமே இல்லை ஆக்சுவலா. ஷேர்
பட்
ஷேர் ஆக மாட்டாது.
ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்
சரி.
எனேபிள். ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் எனேபிள்.
ஷேர் மேல நான் கிளிக் பண்ணினா டிசேபிள் அண்ட் அது டிசேபிள் தான் இருக்கு. கேன்சல் வந்து நான் கேன்சல் பண்ணினா வெளியே வருது. ஜஸ்ட் மினிட். ஆப்டிமைஸ் மோஷன். Make sure that you have allowed permission to share content and then try again. ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம். No, share option share ஆக மாட்டாது ஆக்சுவலா. கேன்சல் மட்டும் கிளிக் பண்ணினா கேன்சல் ஆகுது. பட் ஷேர் it is not.
ஜஸ்ட் கிவ் மீ.
Yeah, yeah.
சார் மொபைலில் ஷேர் பண்ண முடியல. ஜஸ்ட் ட்ரை பண்ணி. இப்போ விசிபிளா இருக்கு.
Hello, Ganesh, able to hear me?
Yeah, just now I can hear you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Start பண்ணலாமாப்பா?
Start பண்ணலாம்.
Okay, okay. Yes. Now, first, in today's class, last class, good morning, everyone. First of all, good morning, everyone. So, in last class, we have discussed some concepts related to SQL. And today, let us start working on our metabase concepts. Okay. First, how to open metabase? Metabase installation step one. There is one step. Java-jar. இங்க பாருங்க java-jar metabase.jar. First step is go to the command prompt. Then wherever your metabase is there, you need to go there. cd metabase. Okay, now we are in metabase. Then அதுக்கப்புறம் java-jar metabase.jar metabase.jar file. Once we give this metabase.jar file, what will happen is this metabase, that whatever is there, no, that will get installed, or that will be executed in this system at the backend. Then we can start our metabase. For metabase, what we'll do, once this is done, we'll go to this particular step. Let this complete. Initialization process, we call this. Just check பண்ணுங்க. It is initializing. See, it is actually initializing. Metabase initialization complete. Then next, our next step is opening the metabase. How will open? Localhost. Because I have already opened this, it is opening with my ID directly. Okay. Last week we have created some reports in this, right? Some questions, we call these as questions or reports. Now in this, if I want to see what are the tables involved, how I'll see? I'll go to the database part, Postgres, business travel, department, education field, employee attrition, environment satisfaction. The next global store, and supermarket sales. These are the tables. Now, today what we'll do is we'll take employee attrition, business travel, department, education field, all these. we'll take and we'll try to write some queries. Now, NM database. Okay, I am selecting this table. I'll summarize. Summarize means whatever you want to do in this, no, all aggregate related actions you can do using this summarize option. Count off. I'll make this count off. Count is 0. So we did not install anything in this employee attrition. Just a minute. Let me open this Postgres and install some data in that. Again, we'll go back to our Postgres, and in this SQL shell, in this first step is the local host. Then next Postgres 5432. Username is Postgres. Password is okay. Now /L. What are the tables that are there in this, or what are the databases? Rather than tables, we can say the databases. Then in this /C, if I want to see tables in any of the databases, I'll select /C and this one. Now I am into this particular table. /C and whatever the database if you are giving, no, it means that we will go into that particular database. Now before initially it will be in Postgres, now it is in NM data analytics. Now /D, if I give /D, you are having the table information. Next, select count of 1 from. See, you have 0 rows. That is the reason you don't have values. Now let me try to insert employee attrition. In this employee attrition, we have not entered values. That's the reason we did not find. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll enter the data. How to enter the data? /copy. Um, Ganesh, Ganesh. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ganesh, what is happening is if at all anyone is trying to open anything from their mobile, no, it is the share is going off from my side. Just now
Okay,
someone
try
has
now,
opened
sir.
something and my share is gone.
Okay, try now, sir.
Please don't open anything during the class. It is actually now my share is gone. People started viewing your screen. See now again now I could able to see my screen. And faculty members, please instruct your students not to open anything through their mobile or through their laptops during this particular time. Okay, automatically what it is happening is their screen is getting shared and whatever I am sharing is getting lost. So I suggest and I request faculty members to convey this to your students, sir? Employee count. These are the tables actually involved in the employee addition. I will I will take that particular column, number of companies, the next active TYC group. Okay, this copy is done. Next step is we need to give the path from what is this path? Employee attrition table. This is the path. This slash tables slash employees, and in this slash employee addition dot CSV delimited CSV header. CSV header. Copy into employee addition table. Now I am trying to copy into employee addition table, whatever the column, whatever the data is there in that particular file. Somewhere in between problem, copy and job satisfaction, job role. Line 2, monthly income, $26. Monthly income is in $261. Monthly income and monthly rate. I think both are mentioned as integer. Okay, this is in varchar, this is in control H. This dollar, remove the dollar, you remove even the comma, and you make this as the numeric form. Now let's see, it should work now. Because of the formatting issue, here I have mentioned that as an integer, and here I have mentioned that as a number, and there it is in integer form. That is the reason you did not get that. Yeah, see now 1470. If you just select count of one from employee attrition, you'll get 1470. Now let's go over here. Now let's go to our question. Now if I refresh this, see now you got here 1470. So what I'll make now, I'll make this as total employees. Okay, now I made this as total employees, and let me do one thing in this non-Moodle. Let me try to create another folder in this. In this non-Moodle, I'll create employee attrition. This is another project in this create. Okay, now in this employee attrition, what I'll do, total employees detail, whatever is there, this total employee details, I'll move into, see here, directly I can move this into this particular scenario. Otherwise, also we have option, move this item. Generally it will move like this or move this way also. Refresh. Now employee attrition, if you see, employee details are there. So all these employee related details, no, I will keep in this. So next question. Employee attrition. I'll take this employee attrition. Count of rows based upon the gender. I'll make this as based upon the gender, and I'll make this as gender wise employee details. And again, I will save in this employee attrition. Okay, now if you see this, you'll get female as F, male as 588, male 882. So this is the count. And if I want to change this, gender is okay. Count, if I want to change anything, no, I can go to this particular place. Sorry, I can go to the other one, right? Count. I can go to the count and I can change I can make as employee count. Done. Now it became employee count, female, male. And in the same way, let me try to write another query called how many are still working. See this employee, if you take this employee attrition rate, this particular exam, in this particular project, what we are actually trying to see is how many are working and how many left the organization. If they left, how many are male, how many are female, okay, and how many left because of whatever the reasons. See, active, quit, monthly income greater than, less than. Just we want to understand which group of sector people left the organization more. Now let us try to gender, we have seen, right? And second step, what we'll do is how many are working in that organization and how many left the organization. Now that is there in attrition. Again, count of rows, attrition. If you see 1233, otherwise there is another column called active active quit. Active quit. If you select this also, you will get active 1223, 1233, quit 237. So again, I will mention employee attrition, employee attrition details. Again, I will place in this particular NM in this particular folder, attrition. Save, not no. Then, like this, in every project, what we'll be doing is we'll be writing our questions. Another question I'll write. Another 2, 3 questions I'll write, and we'll go into the dashboard. Attrition in this we'll try to see. We'll try to see how many actually age group is also there. 21 to 30, 31 to 40, monthly income group. Okay, promotion, how many years they took for getting next promotion? Is promotion also a cause for people leaving the company? Okay, or people leaving the company are entry level people, or managerial level people, or mid level people, intermediate level people? What level people are leaving the organization? So these three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these 5 questions we'll try to see the reasons. Okay, now I am taking another question, simple question. Attrition. In this attrition, I'm taking the count in this age group. See this, below 20 years, 28 members left. 21 to 30, 658 people left. 31 to 40, 619. So people who are leaving the company are in this particular region. 21 to 50 in this particular region, and that too between 600 between 31 and 40, you are having 619 people left the organization. Employee attrition by age group. I'll mention this as by age group. Okay. Now this one also I will take into employee attrition table. Not no. Now another question. Employee attrition table. From this table, count of rows, then monthly income group. See here also. Those who are getting less salary, 2K to 5K, 5K to 10K, they are leaving more. Around how many? I'll sort this by count, then you'll get to know. Sorting by descending, I need to do sorting by descending. I'm doing sorting by descending. Then you'll observe. See, 2K to 5K, 716 people. 5K to 10K, 440 people. Right, these many are there in this. Out of 1470, these many are there. From this 716, 440, how many left? Let's see in our next steps. Employee attrition. I'll mention employee attrition by monthly income group. Okay. Let me, yes. See, like this, for each and everything, we need to prepare one question and place this in that particular file. Now, I'll go for the next question. Employee attrition. Employee attrition. I'll take count of rows. Then next, by total year, total working years group. TWI means total working years group. So I got this particular below 2 years, above 2 years. And if I again do the setting based upon the count, again I will sort this based upon the count, and it is in descending order. Now this is the order. Intermediate 2 to 10, 800 are there. Okay, here I'll make this as employee. Everywhere it is employee count. Employee attrition by TWY group. Okay. Then next, I'll be placing this in employee attrition. Now this is also done. Now what we'll do is, before we do some other activities as part of ask a question, let us try to create a dashboard. See, create a dashboard. I'll mention this as NM 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 training dashboard. Okay, this I will keep in NM data analysis. Now this will be, as of now, this will be empty. Now, first step, what we need to do is we need to bring the questions, whatever the questions we have made, right? See, if you take non-modal data analysis, in this non-modal data analysis in employee attrition, all these are the questions which we made. And in the same way, these are some of the questions which we made last week. Okay, so all these we will form as a data analytics dashboard. Data analytics dashboard. So first I'll bring all the questions. Employee attrition. Just I'll click all this. Attrition details. Attrition by age group. Attrition by monthly. Gender wise. Gender wise total details. And from this, also, let me try to bring another details. See, whatever the graphs, whatever we have made, everything now I brought into this particular dashboard. This is what at the end of the day you need to do. Your end output should come like this. Okay. Now, after bringing this, what is my next step is to apply a filter condition. Filter condition means if I don't want to get all these details, I want only few details. I want to do filtering based upon the country or based upon the attrition or based upon some particular condition. In Excel or in, if you take this power, this employee attrition also, in this also we have done some. See how we'll filter. I'll take this data and filter.
Okay, if you filter now, you are having 1470. In this, you are having 1470. Out of this 1470, if you do filter on false, you will get 1233. If you do filter on true, you will get 237. Okay, if you do filter on male, you will get some 150. If you do filter on female, you will get some 87. Like this, in our database also, what we'll do is, first, once we bring enter data over here, next step is we will actually start filtering the data. How to do filter is edit. In this edit, you have a filter option. See here, filter, time, location, ID, other categories. If it is a date related or any other stuff now, then you can go with the time operation. Otherwise, state, city, or anything, you can go with location. Otherwise, you need to go with other categories. Other categories. Okay, in this other category, I'll mention attrition. First is attrition. Then I'll apply another filter called gender. Okay. Then next, I'll apply another filter called age group. Age group. Okay, three filters I have applied. Now, after applying the filter, what I need to do is that filter I need to link with these particular columns. Whatever the columns are there, those particular columns I need to validate. Segment. No valid fields, no valid fields. Here it is showing like this. When you get this problem, what you need to do is go to this admin data model attrition. I need to give this category. Just a minute, please. Yes, sorry, I'm back. I need to change this to category. Otherwise, what will happen is will not we cannot actually assign the values over there. Let me change this to category first. Attrition, business travel, the next distance from home, education field not required. Employee, yeah, gender. What are the columns which you actually want to give as a filter condition? We need to categorize that. In this, we are having different type of categories. We need to categorize that. Then only we can able to filter that particular condition. I'll show once I do this. Okay, even we are having marital status also. Marital status is there. Then next, what are the other columns? Total hours. Okay, I am going back. I'm going back to this. Now, if you take this particular and if you try to edit this, see now, before it was actually disabled, now it got enabled. See now everything were enabled. Why? Because I have selected that particular category. Now gender also enabled, age group also enabled. So now what I need to do is for this particular chart, I need to give this attrition. Okay, I need to select whatever the column I have actually want to filter. Now I am filtering all this and in this we don't have. Next is the gender. We have the gender also. See here, gender, 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 gender. The next here also, you don't, yeah, you are having gender here also. Gender. Here you have the gender. Here also you are having gender. Wherever the gender is there, you can go with the gender option. In this gender is not there. Okay. Now age group. In this first is the age group. See now age group is not over here. Why? Because I have not included that into category. That is the reason age group you are not seeing. Understood, right? Now age group is not seen. Now what I'll do is I will go into this admin data model and employee attrition. In this, at the last, you will be having age group. See, no, it is in no semantic type. I need to make this as a category. I made this as category. Active quit also. Active quit also as category. And any other columns which I need to. monthly income group, those things not required. Okay, I have made this as. Now again, if you take this non-modal, this training, one minute, sorry, I didn't save. Just a minute. Gender, 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 customer, and in this also we have gender. Yeah, gender. Okay, in this gender will not be there. Now, age group, if you observe, before age group was not there. Now, age group also got included. See now. Whatever the columns you want to actually give as filter, you need to make that as a category over there. You need to go to that particular table, and in that particular table, again, once this is done, no, again I'll show one more time how to do that age group. Before that, let me save age group. Sorry, age group, age group, and in this age group is not there. Now I'll be saving this. So whatever you want to do as a report, no, everything you need to add over here, and you need to save that. See now, if I select this, I can give the details. See, true or false, false. I'll do filter. Now false details came, and gender, gender, male, female, female, male, female. I'm giving male, male. So when I do this filter, automatically see, you will be getting only male or female related details. See here, male 732, total employee 732, male, male. So whatever the filter I take, again, age group, just type something. If you type something, automatically it will come 21 to 30, 41 to 50, add filter. Now, if you add filter, no, you will get details accordingly. Now, next step is, see now this data, whatever is there, four questions I have added in a single line. If I want to have only two, I can have only two like this. I can expand this. I can expand and I can have only two, three, whatever you feel comfortable to that particular place. Those many questions I can. See in this is of 18 square boxes. In this 18 square boxes, when you are going with the two boxes, you can give space of 9. Or if you are going a space of, if you want to keep 3, then you can go a space of around how many? 6. Or if you want to go for 4, you want to go with the 4, and in between some you need to give some other space. See, like this I will expand. Like this I'll expand. Now, if I want to expand this further down, I can expand this further down. Now I will keep this also. I'll keep this also in a row. Okay, and graphs in Next row. And just move here and there. Automatically it will move. Use your cursor and move. Now I'll be increasing the size of this. I am moving this. See, now I am moving this and let me increase the size of this. I have increased size of this, or if it is, if you feel that it is bigger, you can fit as per your convenience or as per your project requirement. See now, I have taken 2, 3, and even this one, if I want, I can make as a single file also. See, because this is a pivot table, I am increasing the size of this. And see, you are having a cursor. You are having a cursor here. Now what I'll do now, I will increase this to the maximum length. I will increase this to the maximum length so that you will get your details in a neat fashion over here. And once you are done, you can actually save this. And if you want to give any heading to this, how you can do is now this is okay, right? But whenever we are maintaining any dashboard, we need to ensure that it is, see, if you are coming down, the space between these two is same, and you get some straight line like this. Otherwise, it doesn't look neat. It doesn't look that appealing to your customers. So when we are making this, we will ensure that the spacing and other things are correct and it looks neat. See now, I'll reduce this by 1 and I'll move this aside and I will make this. See now, if you drag, see it looks neat. Otherwise, if you want to have a full page, you can have your full page like this. Now save. Now I want to give some heading to this. I want to give some heading. I'll mention double quotes, double hash. If you don't give this double hash, what will happen is the size will be like this only. I want to mention something like employee attrition, employee attrition report. I have prepared a dashboard. I want to give some name to this particular dashboard. So I am giving name like this. See now. And I want to make this as bold. I want to make this as bold. See now. Saving this. Now see, it became bold. Otherwise, if I don't give this hash is HTML and and in HTML we'll be using hypertext language, hypertext code. If I don't give this, what will happen is your implementation will be like this only, without any headings or anything. Sorry, without any bold or without any increase in the size. So what I'll do is I will make this as hash. I'll give double hash. Then next, if I want to bring this to middle, there is an option called see here. Middle, bringing to center, background on, off. We have background on or off. If it is on, you can see the background. See, in this only you can review actually. See here. Now it is in the middle. If you want to give at the top, then next left, see here, top and left. Right? Like this, you can actually, if I remove this background, now observe. Now I remove this. Let me try to bring this to center, middle and center. Now this is done. Okay. Now this employee attrition, whatever the heading that I have given, that is at the bottom. I want to bring this to top, means just drag this to top. Just take this to the top level, automatically it will come. See, no. I'm bringing this to the top. Now this is employee attrition report. See now. Because I have removed the back. If you observe, I have removed this show background. If I keep the show background, what will happen is it will show the white, whatever the white box is there, that will show. See now, that is showing like this. If I remove this, it will not show the white background or white box. See now. Save. See now. Okay. Now, again, let us try to work on some of the questions. I'll go to this non-Moodle. In this non-Moodle, I'll go to this global stores. And in this global stores, let me try to average sales. Average sales, average of sales per country. City and country. I'll make city and country. Okay. And in this, let me try to apply a filter called country is United States. Country is equal to United States. Sort by average sales, top to bottom. Now you got your values like this. If I want to make this a visualization, different type of visualization or map, let's see how it looks. By waterfall, yes, map. World map, or you can go with USA map. The next metric field. What is a metric field? Average sales. Region field is city. See now. Country is and region field is city. Done. Now see here. Washington. I think only we are having Washington. Let me try to see this visualization. Average sales city. Country is this many are there. Map. Only it is showing. All these are not showing. Okay, I'll take pin map or region map, and go with world. The metric field is this, city is this. Let us go with this particular option only, map and United States. Whatever the combination of colors you want, no, you can choose those colors from this. City is Washington. All these are states. Let me see. City and state also might be there in this. City and state. If I choose this, now we have New York. If I make this visualization map, and if I change this to state, let us take state. See now, different cities and different, see now, every place you have some data and this data. Now I'll save this. Average sales in United States. And this you can apply in this. Okay, after creating a new one, if I want to add this, add in our new dashboard, what I need to do is I need to select this dashboard. I need to just edit and press add question. In this add question, you just take whatever the field you want. See, average sales in United States. If I select this, this will also get added in this. See now, the more colors, the more data. See, the more data you add and the more visuals you actually add, that much appealing your dashboard looks. If you only give data, okay, a dashboard doesn't look that nice. If you incorporate some visuals like this, no, then your data, your whatever the dashboard, no, that looks more and more neat or more and more appealing. பார்க்கறதுக்கு ஒரு நல்லா இருக்கும், right? Now what I'll do now, employee by attrition by age group. Now I have actually created some dashboards, and I'll go to this particular dashboard. I'll go to this. Let me try to change a few of the dashboards. See now I have the age group, right? This age group, what I'll try to do is I'll try to make this as, see now, I'm making this into different options. Now you know, right, how to actually make visuals. Now let us try to make these visuals into different styles. Gender wise details. This gender wise details, female, male, we got like this, right? So let us try to visualize this in pie chart. Fine. I'm going to this again. attrition. Now we are having data like this, right? And now I'll go with the row wise. Bar wise we have seen, row wise also we are seeing. I have made changes to this, right? Now let us go to our main dashboard. Now just see how it looks. See now, different styles, different styles, huh? Graph ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. Right, different ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. Now let us go to the final topic. In this final topic, what we'll actually see is now we have used simple table, single table. Now if I want to use some multiple tables, how I'll use, there is a option called join as well. See, now I'll take a simple question. நான் முதல் இது வந்து employee attrition. I want to see the department wise count of rows, okay, of department. But in this department, we are having only the number. I want to see, if you see this department, we have 1, 2, 3. What this 1, 2, 3? This 1, 2, 3 are there in some other table called department. Now I want to add, now I want to join that particular department into this particular table. Now then I have an option called join data. Join data, and in this join data, oh, department details not there. Okay, then we'll go for education field. Education field. In this education field, you have education field, the next education field ID. Now I have joined over here. Now what I'll do, I will select the, see now, you will look two different table information. One is employee attrition table and Kila education field table. So I'll be taking education field description and I'll be taking gender from this employee attrition. So I can take different columns from different tables. Now I have selected two tables. Okay. Now just check. Female, male, 588. The next, I have not added department description, and see this, or department field and department description. Education field, employee field is equal to, let me try to take employee satisfaction, employee satisfaction, employee satisfaction, employee satisfaction, employee, employee satisfaction, and employee satisfaction description. See now, employee satisfaction, 284, 287, 287. This employee satisfaction is okay. This employee satisfaction is numeric. This employee satisfaction is also numeric. Then count of rows based upon this particular visualize. We are 1 minute. Select count of 1 from select start from select distinct department from 1, 2, 3. See here. This department or this department are different and that department is different. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me try to create this education field. Okay, education field already there. Select star from you don't have values here. Let me try to insert values. 6 values I have inserted. Now in this, let me try to refresh. Employee addition and education field. In this education field ID, education field ID. The next education field, the next education field description. See now. Technical degree, these many are there. This is not, don't talk to me. Don't be. See this. These many are there. Okay, if I remove this, you'll get this value. Human resource. In this, what I have done is I have used a join operator between employee attrition table and the education field. In this education, we have an education field column, and in the education field table, you have educational field ID table. So using these two table, I have created a join, and I started picking values. Employee attrition. The next, if I want the gender also, I can have gender. So this is the information. In life sciences, if you take female, male, 202, and this one also, if you want to have a combo chart, you can go with the combo chart. X-axis, you can go with this particular option. Y-axis is count. See now. In this, if you want to add any other series, you can add series also. See. This is called, this we called as a combo chart. See, you have one line chart and another is the bar chart. If you click on this bar chart, you will get bar chart information. And if you take this is the female gender 8, female gender 240, female is see, male 366, female is this, male, female, male, female, like that. This is a combo chart. Combo chart, in that we'll be using two different type of charts. That is the reason this is called a combo. Okay, this we call as combo chart. So I have done with my today's session, and for next 10-15 minutes we can have a discussion. Ganesh, can you allow the students to chat or ask their questions? Ganesh, are you there?
I have enabled the
Yeah.
chat session.
Yeah. Those who are having doubts now, you can ask your questions. Those who haven't, how many of you actually installed Metabase? Those who haven't installed Metabase, try to install that Metabase and start working on the Metabase topics. I have showed more options in today's class. Completely, I have focused on Metabase topics only. Okay, those who are having any doubts, you can ask. I'll be there for next 10 minutes. Then we can wind off and you can start doing your practice. Ganesh, is anyone typing in the chat? First of all, I'm not seeing any chats over here.
Just now the
Okay. Sir, you send the notes of today's class. Yes, I'll be sending. How to install? Sir, you speak very fast, so didn't understand. Super. Okay. How to install Metabase? This last week class I have mentioned, and even I have shared a Word document on this. Gayatri, you can take that particular document, and in that document I have mentioned the step by step. Otherwise, in 2 days, after today class also, I will share this Metabase installation document. Yes, today's no Kirutika, today's notes also I'll be sharing. Metabase is so critical for us, sir. Can you please, sir, last Tesla NMID ku name put on, sir. Any problem in there? I don't think any problem with that. Your name, your name, your college, your name, your college is mentioned, right? But NMID is also mandatory. Why? Because that will be easy for us to get from where you actually from. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Is there class on Thursday? I don't think, but still we'll be uploading, we'll be updating in the chat. Whatever, 1 minute, please. Ganesh, do we have class Thursday, Independence Day? No class, right?
Will confirm and update.
Yeah, we'll confirm and update. Okay. Sir, is it necessary? Is it necessary to submit all exercises? Yes. Two ways that will be necessary. One way it will be helpful for you to gain knowledge. Second is you need to for getting your marks or anything, you need to submit these exercises. For this, you can contact to your faculty members. That will check and will let you know. NMID. Sir, if there is MP, that's what I am mentioning. We'll confirm that either by tomorrow whether you have class. If class is there, MCQ will also be there. Class irka then MCQ will also be there. Otherwise, again we'll meet on next Tuesday only. Next Monday, not Tuesday, sorry. For data analytics class next Tuesday. Yes, I will send. Shanmukha Priya, I will send. I'll share. I'll share later. You can get from your faculty members. MCQ test marks. Ganesh, with whom the MCQ text marks will be?
Sir,
Onnum Puriliya, sir. Okay. Yes, Ganesh.
சொல்லுங்க sir.
Yes, sir. Who will be having this? What is this? MCQ test marks.
I will ask Shiva sir and
Okay. Okay then. Okay. Metabase use on the purpose. Metabase is used for data visualization. நான் இங்க show பண்ணாச்சு, right? See, இந்த மாதிரி if you want to show to your management, பெரிய பெரிய if you are having very big data, you cannot show the data as it is. In that case, no, if you show your data in this particular format, it will be very helpful for them to take decisions. Okay. How to install Metabase? I am facing problem. What is the problem you are facing while installing Gayatri? Okay, point noted. Next time வந்து நான் ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா பேசுறேன். Okay. Whether it is Tamil or English, also I will speak very slowly. காயத்ரி, எந்த பிரச்சனை வரும் ஆக்சுவலா மெட்டாபேஸ் வந்து? Definitely, Harish, every day ஃபைனல் எக்ஸாம்ல இப்போ வருமா சார்? எஸ். ஷண்முக பிரியா லேப்டாப்ல மொபைல்ல ஒர்க் பண்ற மாதிரி அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணுங்க. மொபைல் வாய்ஸ் புரியல. ஓகே. See, Metabase or any of these technologies, no, all these technologies, whatever are there, are only work in either laptop or desktop. Okay. Not open in laptop, sir. What is the problem? என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் வருது லேப்டாப் வந்து? எந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் வருவான்னா அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் அனுப்பிடுங்க. ஓகே, நான் ஒரு மாதிரி செக் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு சார் இல்லைன்னா மேடம் இல்லைன்னா அந்த குரூப் வந்து போடுங்க. நான் ஒரு மாதிரி செக் பண்ணி அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும் நான் சொல்றேன். ஓகே, அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வராது. NMID, I'll put my name, any problem, sir. NMID, அது ஒரு பிரச்சனை இல்லை ஆக்சுவலி. I'll send the screenshot. ஓகே அம்மா, ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் அனுப்பிடுங்க. நான் ஒரு மாதிரி செக் பண்ணி I'll let you know. Okay, I'll talk very slowly. See, only one thing, when we are opening this chat, you are spamming this chat. அதுக்கு தான் ஆக்சுவலி இந்த சாட்டை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி லாஸ்ட்ல சாட் ஓபன் பண்றேன். நான் முதல் வந்து சாட் ஓபன் பண்ணினா என்ன பண்றேன், எல்லாரும் இங்கே வாட்ஸ்அப் மாதிரி சாட்டிங் பண்றாருங்க. ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணக்கூடாது, ரைட்? அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணினா நமக்கு வேற ஆப்ஷனே இல்லை ஆக்சுவலா. We will close that. If I close this chat and if I take my class, last sir class purille, sir you are going very fast. Yes, I understood all your questions or all your concerns. I am understanding, but now ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்றேன். Okay, if you are disciplined, நமக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளமே வராது. இஃப் ஐ ஆம் கோயிங் ஃபாஸ்ட் அண்ணா, இங்கிலீஷ் கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டா இருக்கண்ணா, முதல்ல நமக்கு தெரியுமண்ணா, நான் இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்லோவா போக சான்சஸ் இருக்கு. பட் நான் இந்த சாட் ஓபன் பண்ணின பாருங்க, ஹாய் மெசேஜ் பண்றேன். எதுக்கு இப்போ ஹாய் மெசேஜஸ் நமக்கு? இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்பேம் பண்ற எவ்ரி டைம் இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்பேம் பண்றாரு. அதுக்குதான் நம்ம ஆக்சுவலி சாட் க்ளோஸ் பண்றோம். சாட் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணினா நான் வாட் எவர் ஐ எம் டீச்சிங் இஃப் யூ ஆர் நாட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் அப்போ இது பண்ணணும். We are happy to, we are coming and teaching to you, right? Why we are coming and teaching to you? To make you people understand. And in the chat open panina, in the chat one the hi messages, love messages, the next heart messages, இந்த மாதிரி மெசேஜஸ் போட்டாச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணும்? நான் நம்ம சைடு வந்து என்ன பண்ணும் சொல்லுங்க? Please request problem. Please request laptop problem. Ask sure. ஓகே, எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கோ நான் அதே காயத்ரிக்கு சொன்ன மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன் ராமகிருஷ்ணன். ஓகே, எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கோ அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் உங்கள் சார் கிட்ட சார் இல்லைன்னா மேடம் கிட்ட கொடுங்க. ஓகே, நான் அந்த மேடம் கிட்ட மேடம் இல்லைன்னா சார் கிட்ட போய் ஐ வில் டேக் தி இஷ்யூ and I will suggest what problem, how to overcome this problem. Okay, Shanmugapriya, understood. But in the Metabase இல்லன்னா இந்த visualization tools, ஓகே, படிக்கிறதுக்கு கண்டிப்பா டெஸ்க்டாப் இல்லன்னா லேப்டாப் வேணுமா? மொபைல் வந்து பண்ண முடியாது. I can completely understand your concern. But for this question, I don't have solution. Why unverified in class, sir? Which responses you are mentioning, Ajita? Is there any problem when we submit our responses in out of time? எந்த responses சொல்றா? இந்த chat வந்து responses இல்லைன்னா exam MCQ exam வந்து responses MCQ responses வந்து 45 minutes இல்லைன்னா some fixed time is there, right? அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே பண்ணணும், இல்லைன்னா அது stop பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா பண்ண முடியாது. Yes, MCQ பண்ண முடியாது. You are having a fixed time of 45 minutes. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அது க்ளோஸ் ஆகும் ஆக்சுவலா. So try to ensure that, okay. What about Power BI for data analytics? Metabase madre Power BI, another vendor or other company. அது Microsoft product company, Microsoft product visualization tool. Metabase visualization tool. அந்த மாதிரி Tableau ani one more இருக்கு. அது Salesforce product. அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய visualization tools இருக்கு. Yes, ma'am, I can understand, but I am not the right person to answer or to address this question also. Anything concerned to subject மட்டும் நமக்கு ஆக்சுவலா ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும். பட் வாட் எவர் த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் யூ ஆர் ஆஸ்கிங் ஹியர், ரைட்? லேப்டாப் இல்லை சார், லேப்டாப் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ண காசு இல்லை, அந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் honestly I don't have answers. I am here to support you guys with respect to knowledge only. இந்த மெட்டாபேஸ் வந்து கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கு சார், எஸ்கியூஎல் வந்து கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கு சார், இல்லைன்னா எக்ஸல் வந்து கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கு சார், அந்த மாதிரி கேட்டாச்சுன்னா வாட் எவர் நாலேஜ், எந்த நாலேஜ் இருக்கோ நான் அது உங்ககிட்ட நான் ஷேர் பண்றேன். Okay, can we wind up our class? Thank you all, thank you. We can wind up our class.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you all, thank you, bye.